Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Vanji from Mom or Anne's Corner. Anne is not here with me because she's usually with me during Dollar Tree haul or if she has something to share with you. But this time, I'm the one who's going to share to you guys the things that I've been doing lately. I've been crazy doing projects about boxes. And if you have seen one of my video, I've shown you a little tutorial on how to make the tissue box into a beautiful box again so that you can use it for another purpose. And so speaking of that, I want to show you another one. For that video, I have two designs that I've shown there, and this one is another one. Honestly, I made 5 of them already, or 6 different designs, and this is one of the designs I'm going to show you guys, so that for those who have not seen that video, you can see the design I use for the tissue box. So this one, I just put a butterfly on top. I really love anything that has bling in it, most especially if it's colorful. It can really add beauty in your project, and you can see that the design of the paper that I use is kind of vintage, and this one is white. I just put white in it so that it would emphasize, looks like a vintage color. So this is one of the boxes that I use. I put a charm in here, a ribbon that is part of this paper. So I use a charm to make it a closure in here. So this is what's inside. So anything in my mind, whatever paper that I can see that I can use, I just use it here. So that's one of those project I made. Another one, speaking of tissue box, I want to show you this kind of box. It's a different kind of shape. It's a rectangular one. So what I did for this one is just so simple. I just cut on top and get it and make it into like this. I didn't change so much for this one. As you can see, the design is just kind of the same. I didn't put a cover this one, but instead I just put sticker in it so that it would be more pretty to look at if there's something that you can see. And I used the farm stickers in here and put some plastic in there so that it would stick there properly. So you can see this box is exactly the same of this box. So I'm showing you this one, guys, so that you can see that a simple of this, like even though if you would not do so much of these things, you can still create something useful, because I am really into organizing things, guys, and I really love any boxes or things that you can use to organize. So what I did is just I put a division in here and just cover it. So that's it. And you can use this already, putting some of your crafts things, whatever that you want to use this one. So this is one of those thing or packs that I created. Another thing is I bought, I don't know if you have tried buying Graham crackers in Dollar Tree. I bought one time because we're making a mango float, and I bought 2 of those boxes. And if you have noticed, it's a long box, so I cut it into 2 and combine this in this like this. So Viola, this is one of the things that I designed. Beautiful paper in here, and I put black on the edges so it would emphasize more of the color. It turns out so pretty, guys. And this one, you can put some more of your, organize your pen or pencil or markers or brushes, whatever that you want to put in here. So there's no need for you to buy some storage for that or some cases for that. You can just purely design or use or make something out of the boxes that you have in the house. As crafter, I know you can create something like this. So of course as I mentioned, I bought 2 of the boxes of the honey boxes. So this is the other design. So it's so simple, but I find it so pretty, and I put some ribbon in it so it will be more prettier. And the inside is this. So I already started to create some different boxes because I'm planning to use this sooner or later when there's another craft fair. This is really a good addition for your craft fair because you can just put some goodies in there and cover the plastic, see-through plastic, so they can see what's inside, and they can also use the box, right? So it's a double purpose. So that's why I'm making all these boxes. Another one is I make this kind of box. This is from one of the ice cream bar that you can buy in Dollar Tree. So this one of the box that I use. This is perfect also to put something like, I made 2 or 3 more of this, and my kids already use it to put their cell phones on top of their bed. We just hang it there and just they put something, anything that they have in there. So this is one of those that I made. It's so simple design, but my son doesn't like colored kind of paper, so that's what I'm using. Another one is this one. Is another type of ice cream box that you can buy in Dollar Tree, and this is how I came up. I just divided into 2, and this is what it looks like. I used the cotton, or yeah, a cotton kind of stickers that I bought in Daiso, and this is how it turns out. It's like a jean kind of cloth. And if you have noticed, guys, I really love some blings. Again, I put some bling in here and some words in here. It says, cherish every moment, love every moment, embrace every possibility. Again, I love also some wordings. And on the other side, I also put this one. This is the design. And again, you can use this in anything you want to put in there, like your embellishment cards or your memory decks card. I don't know, you can also put in here. So that's one of those boxes that I made. Another one is this one. Is kind of bigger one, the biggest one, and this is made out of, I don't know if you have tried the Hot Pocket. There's big box in there, and my children loves to eat Hot Pockets, guys. So that's why I thought of making this kind of design, because every box I would always think, what should I make another design for this, and I decided to make a drawer. And if you have noticed, the Hot Pocket is a big box. I divide it into 2 and form like this one. And this box inside, what I use in here is the box that you can get from Amazon. When you order, there's a box, and I form it into like this one. And I use the leaves because here the design is a dog, so it will match. And there's also a decoration on top. It says smile, and there's some ribbon on the side, and you can see my kid says looks like a gift. Exactly right, looks like a gift. So you can really give this as a gift without covering it, because it's already a gift. It looks like a gift, and all you have to do is just put your gifts over here. At the same time, they can use the box, the drawer, wherever they want to put in there, right? So it's a double purpose. And you have noticed I again put a bling in there. I really love anything that has gemstones and bling, so that it would attract people. It's like shining over there. So that's one of those boxes that I made. Again, you can see there's few already, and there's some more boxes that I made. I can show you here because my kids already using it, but I will link down our link, the clip, or not link, but put the clip after this one. Stay tuned for that so you can see some of the designs that I made. The last but the least I want to share to you is this one. I find this is very, very pretty, but this is the longest project that I do because it's a circle. Honestly, I'm having a hard time to just cover the circle one. This is my first time making some kind of circle design, and I'm really having a hard time in how to make it really, how to cover it, to be honest. But it's worth it because it's very pretty, guys. And if you have seen, I don't know what you want to call this one, but it's like a jewelry box. But you can also put some beads, like if you have a happy mail, or if you want to join a challenge with this embellishment box and you don't have a box, so you can create something like this. Ta-da! See? It's so pretty, right? It is so pretty, and I really love the color, the design in here. Just that this washi will not stick very much, but overall I really love it. And the one that I use in here is the tissue roll. I cut it, I divide it into 4 and use it here. I just covered it. So you can see it takes time. I covered this one, and it's so hard to cover the circle one, especially this one. But again, it's really very beautiful, guys. And again, there's also a bling in over here. You can see that there's another bling that I put in there because I really love anything that has bling again. And I put this one, a flower, and there's a bag or a bag over there. It looks so cute. That's what I use in order for it to be a closure over here. So this is the paper that I use so that it would match the one that I use in the center. So I just match the color, and it's really pretty, guys. You can see it's really pretty. So again, if you have seen this creation, I made, I think 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 different projects that I've shown you here. But of course I still have some few that I haven't shown it here, but you can see it after this because I will clip the video after this one, and you can see some of my project. I'm having fun, guys, and I just would like to say thank you for those who have supported me. Thank you so much. I would like to take this chance. Thank you so much for being there still. We will be turning 3 years this August, and I know my channel is not really growing, but I'm hoping that you would support me more. This August we're planning to have not a challenge. I don't know if you will see that it's a challenge, but I will have a giveaway. But one thing I would like to ask from you is just a shout out. Whatever video that you're doing, just shout out my name and post it or send it to the comment so that I will know that you have shouted my name, or not my name but our channel. In that way you have supported us. At the same time you can join my giveaway. So there's nothing you need to do but just shout out my channel. And that video that you mention our channel, you have to send it in the comments so that I will know and you would be part of the entry. So again, you will know the prices later on. Maybe next video I'm gonna show you the prices because I have so much stuff that I want to share to you guys, and I decided to share it to you as price. At the same time, it's a big help for us, and it would encourage us to do more. So thank you once again for being with me today. I hope you enjoyed the project that I've been showing you, and comment below what are those boxes that you like most, or whatever the comment is that, are you also interested in doing this kind of project, like making the boxes out from this kind of boxes? So again, thank you once again, and have a great day. Stay safe. Hope to see you next time. Bye.